So this concludes the first week of my research paper, and things haven't been quite bad. I've been able to find a lot of things that I need, and I've even begun working on a lot of my work for next week this week, because I haven't been able, like, it hasn't been very hard for me to find things. I thought that, like, finding things for, like, women authors and, like, male authors was going to be difficult, but I found that that isn't a very big deal at all. It's mostly just, like, my, I'm gonna probably maybe have problems finding the stuff for cultural, because I'm not exactly sure what that means or how to look for that, but I'm pretty sure I'll deal with it when it comes to it. The bibliography wasn't that hard for me to make. I got it done like a day before, and I've literally it's just worked out for my benefit. I've written what I need to know. Maybe the only thing that I had problems with my assignments was making a CDW, because I wasn't exactly sure what to ask myself to analyze. Like, it was kind of like really clueless. So next time that I do a CDW, if I don't have a good prompt, I might just pick something else to do, because I wasn't exactly sure what to ask myself while I was trying to write the CDW. It was kind of hard for me to, like, imagine. So I don't feel like that, like, what I did with it was very good, and that story that I used wasn't very good with it either. But the other things that I've been finding have really been helping my my research paper along. I guess maybe one of the driving questions of that I have is, what exactly am I writing for this research paper? I mean, like, I guess, like, I can see it, like, I just don't exactly know what I'm going to be writing this towards. Like, what's the point of it when I go to write my research paper? Like, what's the question that somebody's asking me to analyze? Or I'm not exactly sure. I'm gonna have to figure it out when it comes to it. But overall, I've been doing actually pretty good. I got all my assignments done a day before. A lot of the stories have been easy for me to find, and a lot of the poems and stuff that haven't overlapped with what we've already read this year, because I've read a lot of short stories and stuff when I was at Ursuline, and so I've just been trying to remember the conflicts that we talked about then, and then finding them online. I guess, like, the biggest thing for me is, like, rereading the stories over again when I already know what's going to happen because I've read it. But overall, I feel like I've been doing pretty good, and it's not that hard for me. I know what I'm doing, and yeah, so I will check in next week with you about what's going on, so see you then.